Good morning, sleepyhead. Wake up.
Oh, hi Mia. What time is it?
It's already 8 o'clock. Get out of bed.
8? It is too early for me.
Early? I am already drinking my coffee.
Good for you. I feel very sleepy.
Come on, stretch your arms and legs.
I don't want to. My bed is so warm.
The sun is shining. It is a beautiful day.
Let me sleep for 5 more minutes, please.
No way. You need to start the day.
I will start it later.
We have a lot of plans for today, remember?
Plans? I forgot about the plans.
We are going to the park.
Can we go to the park tomorrow?
No, the weather is perfect today.
I am still yawning. Ugh.
Go to the bathroom and wash your face.
My bathroom is too far away.
You are so lazy this morning, Emma. But I love that about you.
I am not lazy. I am just tired.
Did you go to sleep late last night?
Yes, I watched a movie until 2 in the morning.
Well, that was a bad idea.
I know. But it was a great movie.
Drink some water and open the window.
Okay, I am opening my eyes.
That is a good start. Now sit up.
I am sitting up. But I am not happy.
You will be happy when you see the sun.
I need coffee. A big cup of coffee.
Make some. Or come to the cafe with me.
Are you in the cafe right now?
Yes, I am on the terrace. It is lovely here.
Okay. Maybe I will join you.
Excellent. Get dressed quickly.
Give me 30 minutes.
Take your time, I will be here.
Thank you, Mia. See you soon.